Hello guys, trademarking your business name or logo is a smart way to protect your brand. LegalZoom simplifies the process with guided steps that saves time and reduces confusion. And here's how you can register a trademark with LegalZoom in 2025 from start to finish. So head over to LegalZoom.com and hover over the intellectual property option and click on the search icon at the top right and search for intellectual property and hit enter. Now, under services, you'll have to search for the option that says Intellectual Property Protection Online. Click here and it will take you to this page. Here, you can click on Learn More under Trademark Registration. So, you'll have to click on Trademarks, then select Register a Trademark, and you will land on a guided form where the process begins. So, click on Learn More and click on Register My Trademark. Now, LegalZoom offers two trademark filing options. There is Standard and Comprehensive. The Comprehensive option includes a full attorney review, while the Standard is a self-guided with basic support. You'll be asked to describe your trademark. This could be your business name, logo, slogan, or product label. So you'll have to first of all choose what kind of trademark do you want to register. So I will choose brand or product name. Click on Next. Now, what brand or product name would you like to register? So I will choose this and click on Next. Now choose yes, I'm using this mark. Click on Add Trademark Monitoring and you can choose a package if you want that. If not, just go back and click on No Thanks. Now you'll be taken to the checkout page where you'll have to enter your contact information, shipping address, payment info and click on Agree and Pay Now. After paying the amount, if you choose a comprehensive package, a trademark attorney will review your application for accuracy and potential issues, and they will advise if your mark is too similar to existing ones, helping avoid costly USPTO rejections. Once your application is reviewed and finalized, LegalZoom files it with the US Patent and Trademark Office, that is USPTO, and you will pay an additional $250 or $350 per class in government fee depending on filing method. After filing, LegalZoom keeps you updated with any USPTO communication, and the trademark process can take 6 to 9 months, and LegalZoom helps manage any follow-up documents or office actions if required. So registering a trademark with LegalZoom is straightforward and beginner-friendly, with the option to add legal oversights for peace of mind. While not the cheapest route, it's a great option if you want guided help and ongoing updates while securing your brand. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.